Fifth grade Shurley method, page 41, part 1, exercise 1. So we're going to classify this on each sentence. And once again, we're still working on pattern 4, so they're all going to be in pattern 4. Okay? So number 1, Catherine and Adam are my cousins. Who are my cousins? Okay. So they're compound, subject, noun. And is a Catherine and Adam are what? Or what is being said about Catherine and Adam? Are what? Okay, is cousins referring to those two? Yes, so it's a predicate noun. And then are is a linking verb. My, or what? Whose cousin? My, possessive pronoun, adjective, pattern, subject, noun, linking verb, predicate, noun, pattern, for, check. Okay, and guys, make sure you're doing your abbreviations correctly, okay? Some of you guys haven't been putting LV for linking verb, okay? Some of you guys have not been doing labeling a predicate noun correctly, okay? So try your best to use the correct abbreviations. Period. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? Is this the natural or inverted order? All right, you guys are going to do number 2 for homework. And then, of course, subject, noun, linking verb, predicate, noun, pattern for check is your pattern. Okay? Since that's what we're working on here. They're not mixed yet. Number 3, my grandmother from this is the best cook in the world. Who is the best cook in the world?
Grandmother.
Okay, grandmother. Subject, noun. What is being said about my grandmother? Is what? Is cook, right? Is the cook referring to grandmother? Yes, so it's a predicate noun becomes the linking verb. What kind of cook? The in what? The from where? Whose grandmother? Pronoun, adjective. Okay, our pattern, subject, noun, linking verb, predicate, noun, pattern, for, check. From Memphis. In the world. Period. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Memphis is right in front of the verb, right, guys? Is there an adverb exception? No. Is it the natural or inverted order? Natural. Okay. My sister's kitten is a very lovable animal. What is a very lovable animal? Subject, noun. What is being said about the kitten? Is what? Animal. Is animal the same thing or referring to kitten? Yes, so it's a predicate noun. Is becomes the linking verb. What kind of animal? Adjective. How lovable? Is it an adjective or it's an adverb because an adverb modifies a verb or an adjective, right? A. Whose kitten? Possessive noun adjective. And whose kitten? Or whose sister? Pattern, subject, noun, linking verb, predicate, noun, pattern, for, check. No prepositional phrase, period. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No. Okay. Is it the natural or inverted order? natural. So, like I said, you guys are doing number 2